So that's a kind of a different process on putting them together.
When the COVID-19 pandemic hit,
Pretty simple design.
Eric Fulcher wanted to find a way for his company to help.
The thought that we could be involved in helping, folks that are on the front lines fighting this pandemic was really, really powerful.
For several weeks during the height of the nationwide PPE shortage, Design Foundry produced medical gowns. It's a project that proved to be a little different from their usual production of furniture.
There was a lot of trial and error to start out with, quite honestly. But kind of once we nailed it and nailed our specifications, it really kind of moved through the process pretty seamlessly.
The work connected them to the Carolina Textile District, a network of textile manufacturers across the Carolinas.
This material is antimicrobial.
In response to COVID-19, the Carolina Textile District tapped into their network to produce and distribute over 400,000 masks and gowns across the country.
Within 2 weeks, we had essentially created a whole new business where we were bringing together groups of companies that had never worked together before. We were standardizing procedures, prototyping, working with doctors. We've started a warehouse and a distribution site.
About 60 manufacturers partnered with the Carolina Textile District to make medical gowns and washable pedestrian masks.
You can really do a lot with screen printing.
The items ended up in the hands of not only medical workers, but also school districts, nonprofit organizations, and businesses.
And so there was a sense that we were keeping doors open and keeping workers working, and we were also providing an essential service to our community.
The Design Foundry has since handed off their gown production and is back to full-time furniture, but the work left a lasting impact on the company and their community.
It was great that we could be involved. It was great that we could be a part of the solution. And that made us all feel really good. But it also brought us together as a team, brought us together as a community here at Design Foundry.